Hello everyone, so today we're going to be talking to you about our tile aluminium LED profiles. These can be used for various installation in tiled areas like this or in other areas according to your project plan. So what we have here is the recessed tile edge LED profile. Okay, secondly we have the tile profile for external corners, okay, which is quite good. And lastly we have the recessed tile for internal corners, okay, which is quite good also. And the maximum width of LED strip that you can fit inside here is of 12.5 millimeters. Also do note that all of the profiles of course are provided with 2 closed end caps per profile. So if you do need more closed end caps, you can purchase more separately, or if you do need open end caps, these can be purchased separately on our website. And lastly, we do recommend going for high density LED strip if you want to avoid any spotting within your LED profile. For this example, we're using 700 LEDs per meter, and as you can see, there's barely any spotting within the profiles. For more information, you can visit our website, highlighting.co.uk. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button underneath this video. You can also follow us on our Twitter and Instagram page. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.